Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open the Skip the Dishes app on your phone or go to their website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one with your email and password before you can proceed. Step 2. Look for your account settings or profile section, usually found in the bottom menu or top corner of the app. Tap on your profile icon and then find the settings option. This is where all your personal information and preferences are stored. Step 3. Find the address or delivery zone section in your settings menu. You'll see your current delivery address listed here. Tap on the Edit button next to your address to make changes. Step 4. Enter your new address in the address field, making sure to include the street number, street name, city, postal code, and any apartment or unit number if needed. Double-check that everything is spelled correctly before saving. Step 5. Confirm and save your new delivery zone by tapping the Save or Update button. The app will verify that your new address is within Skip the Dishes delivery area. If it's not, you'll get a message letting you know that delivery isn't available there, and you can try a different address.